Hello from Bug Eye Guy. This is a special video about a Subaru powered gorgeous Speedster. Look at that thing. This is with the style bars removed. You'll see another picture in a minute with the style bars installed. They're chrome, totally optional. There they are. And it's just another look. It comes with the car. But this thing is a 2.5 liter Impreza engine from I think 2007 as a brand new short block with rebuilt heads from that Impreza, powder coated. It's stunning. Look at the underside. I mean, the workmanship is incredible. These are the folks that build the Beck Speedsters. They put in this engine and this Subaru drivetrain, Subaru transmission, these beautiful headers. It's just gorgeous. So listen to how it starts. You're getting fuel injection, all the modern conveniences of a modern Subaru, all in a fun vintage looking car, and that is what's special about this. If you're looking for reliability, or if you're not a gearhead and you don't want to hassle with anything on an old car but you want old car experience, then this is a very special way to go. And it's really fun and really quick. It's about 180 horsepower, and you'll see some 0 to 60 runs as this video progresses. And there's just gobs of power and torque whenever you want it, courtesy of that Subaru engine. A lot of fun running through the gears. And if you're looking at Speedster replicas, this one is spectacular, primarily because it was put together and produced by a great builder in Indiana. It's a fiber fab kit, and just listen to this torque. Up the hill in second gear, just blast of power and good fun. So the fellow in Indiana that managed this job, he had the kit put together, or he built it, finished it off, had it painted, whatever he did to get it to the state that it's in, but he's so meticulous. He just did an awesome job, and then he sent it to Beck, and they put in the rear disc brake kit and this engine conversion. It will go 70 miles an hour all day long, around 3,000 RPMs. It's the Subaru gearbox. Is great gearing for the car and for the platform. It's just a really, really nice combination of great ideas and great engineering, all put into this sort of unlikely package of a fiberglass, fiber fab, wide flared Speedster replica kit. And of course, with the Subaru power plant, you end up with water cooling, you end up with a great heater, which is far superior to what you'd have with an air-cooled VW-based Speedster kit, or even an original Speedster for that matter. But again, the key thing here is that you're able to drive a Speedster, get into a Speedster for a much lower price than what an original one would cost. And then of course this variation with the wide fender flares, you get much more rubber on the road. You have 205s and 225 tires in the back, so you get incredible traction, deliver that horsepower to the asphalt, and you get great braking as well. So it's a very attractive way to have a fun weekend third car. And here's another view from the driver's side, so you can see how nicely this thing revs. And then we have a 0 to 60 run coming up here, and using the GPS in my phone, I'm able to measure our 0 to 60 speed. And here's the result. 8.2 seconds to 60. That's the fastest Speedster we've ever had, and we've had a whole bunch of them. And that's what we have here at Bug Eye Guy, a one-of-a-kind machine.